Deep in the jungle lived a cheeky chimpanzee named Chimp. One day, Chimp's tummy was rumbling with hunger. He snuck into a nearby village and spotted a shop overflowing with bright yellow bananas. His eyes lit up. Quietly, Chimp tiptoed inside, grabbed a banana, and tried to make a quick escape. But in his haste, he slipped on a stray banana peel and fell with a loud thud. The shopkeeper couldn't help but laugh and called out, "Hey there! Did you come to eat the bananas, or to slip on them?" Chimp scrambled up, grabbed 2 more bananas, and scurried up a tree. From the branch, he cheekily replied, "A little fall is part of the fun. It makes the bananas taste even better. Thanks for watching."